Hello, my name is William French, and I'll be talking about values. What is a worldview? A worldview is a way of thinking. If I told you 1 plus 1, that equals 2, you had to think about it, but we can agree on it. Just like a neighborhood. If we look at a low income neighborhood, and we can look at, they haven't made a lot of progress. I'm not going to invest in it. But that's a mindset. Another person can look at the same neighborhood and see how far they have came. That's just a mindset. You have to be careful what you say to people because that can hurt their feelings. It can affect their mindset and it can go into their culture. Some cultures are different. Some cultures believe that you stay with your family till you get married. Some cultures feel you should be competitive. Some cultures believe that we should be peaceful and get along. You have to be cautious of that. You can hurt someone's feeling. I believe in Christianity, and I feel like that is amazing, and I really do enjoy it. But not everyone can agree with that. As Christians, I'm here on the earth to serve and honor God, praise Him, and I'm supposed to go make some history. Well, if my days end before His second coming, I'm going to die. If my days are in, it could be a great sadness or it could be a great joy. I'll be at judgment and I hope I go to heaven and I could see family members and worship God. But there is a great sadness because I could go to hell, and that's not a fun place. It's a fiery furnace. But we need to remember that we're all made in God's image and that He loves us so much. He created us from Adam's rib. I can think of people that have helped affect my values. I can think about my parents. My parents, well, they didn't have high expectations for us, but they always ask how we're going to get there. And I'll tell them I'm going to work hard at it. My grandmother, she's the one that told me that she came to Christ because God found her. That's something interesting. God found her. And that salvation is one of the most important thing I can do is accepting Jesus. I did that. That was an important value to me, I decided. My brother. Brother taught me many things, but I had to learn how to share with him. Sharing with your sibling isn't easy. Tell me about it. But my parents says if I share, he will share. That was something I learned. I also learned that my brother never gave up on me. The Bible talks about how the most closest friend is a brother. Something I had to learn, but my brother never gave up on me. Even though I would try to push him to the side and hang out with my friends, he never gave up on me. He was open to listen to me. He taught me a lesson to listen and know that you have to be able to sometimes forgive yourself when you push people to the side. Summer camp taught me how to be fair to people. It's not easy work with kids to be fair, but when people have earned it, you should show it to them. Also, working at a movie theater has shown me how to work in teams and groups and watch my leaders how to trust them to do their job and how to share some of the responsibility. Building trust with people isn't hard. I have my own job. Some people haven't been nice, but you have to work on trust, try to rebuild it. You will need those peoples in life. Learned how to speak up your ideas. My team loves when I speak ideas now, and I wouldn't get that without going through this program helping me. Speaking about this program, core values. I've learned so much in this program. Teachers that never gave up on me when I lost a loved one through COVID kept pushing me forward to get through, and I'm almost there. They say you can almost reach it. I'm thankful that these professors helped me to have a close relationship with God. They taking a Bible course, it made me want to go deeper into the Bible and know it for myself, not just reading a textbook, but personally see it for myself and have a better understanding. Have a small group we're going to read the Bible. It's awesome. And as going through this program, I realized that HR does more than hiring and firing. I didn't know that. I thought HR, they just sit there, try to hire people and fire people. That's it. But I've learned they do so much more, and it's inspired me that I'm going to go in that field when there's an opening in my job. That I want to help make a difference. I've learned that, you set your course. I'm hoping the management help to have like some gym, help people have some personal health, that they don't work all the time. Take some days off, take time for family. And later in life, I like to be a college professor to help inspire people. SNU has inspired me, and I want to inspire other students to be successful and to do great things. Thank you. All slides are by Google Docs.